Hello friends, my name is Akshans and welcome to CAD Academy. In this lecture I'm going to teach you about divergence theorem. This divergence theorem is also known as Gauss divergence theorem. So according to this divergence theorem, it states that closed surface integral is same as the volume integral of divergence of the same field. Okay, so what does this mean? So this means that let's say we have a closed surface. Let's say we have a rough pipe which is like this, and okay, like this, and this is closed at both end. Okay, closed at both end. So this pipe is hollow. Okay, this hollow pipe is closed at both ends. Okay, this hollow pipe is closed at both ends. Okay, it's a surface integral. Let's say we have a field F in the region. Okay, field F in the region. So surface integral, closed surface integral, because this thing has closed surface, this is covering some amount of volume inside it. Okay, so this closed surface integral is same as the divergence of field. Okay, this field is same. Okay, and its volume integral. Okay, so this is closed surface integral and this is volume integral. So this is the mathematical expression of divergence theorem. Now let's see the application of divergence theorem in the questions. Okay, let's say we have a questions like we have a field V bar, okay, which is x cos square y in x direction plus x square e to the power z in y direction plus z sin square y in z direction. Okay, and we have to calculate closed surface integral of V bar. Okay, so we have to calculate this thing where S is the surface of unit cube with one corner at origin. Okay, and it is also given that edges are parallel to the axis. Okay, so let's get the solution. So according to divergence theorem, we know that closed surface integral of a field is same as the volume integral of divergence of the field. Okay, so this V denotes the volume. So first we have to calculate this thing, okay, which is divergence of the field. So we know how to calculate the divergence of field. The formula for divergence of a field is discussed in last classes. I hope you all know how to calculate the divergence of a field. The component of the field in x direction that should be differentiated by x. Okay, so we have to differentiate this thing by x. Okay, so that will be cos square y. Similarly here, the component of field in y direction should be differentiated by y. So differentiating this thing by y will be 0, plus the component of field in z direction should be differentiated by z. So sine square y. Okay, so this thing's differentiation with respect to z will be sine square y. So this thing will be 1. Okay, by trigonometric identity, cos square y plus sine square y is equal to 1. So putting this thing in this equation, and we are getting this thing as volume integral of divergence of field, which is 1 dot dv. Okay, so this is generally a v, so this is like this. Okay, so when we integrate 1 with respect to v, we will get v. Okay, v is what, guys? Volume of cube. ठीक है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब, एंड विच इज यूनिट क्यूब. सो यूनिट क्यूब मतलब साइड्स आर ऑफ 1 यूनिट इन लेंथ. ओके, so the volume of cube is volume of cube. Okay, so v is equal to what? Sides cube. Volume of a cube is side into side into side, so that's sides cube. So 1's cube is equal to 1 unit cube. So this is the solution for this question.